Next, yun. And I'm really excited na malabas din siya sa YouTube kasi I wanna watch it over and over and over and over again. And of course, syempre, ipakita to sa mga pamangkin ko, sa mga little kids ko, sa mga friends ko, ganyan. And to, of course, encourage them how beautiful Hong Kong Disneyland is nowadays. So, sino pa po ba? Any question po? Anyone from our friends from the press and bloggers natin online? Sino pa po ba? Diyan, ma'am. Ayan, hello po. Thank you.
Hi, Janela Ray, Mag-Ibios Rings at home. Janela, congratulations. Reaction mo lang na ngayon may self-titled album ka na. Lumabas na.
I always say, it all comes just so fast. Parang minsan di ko ma-absorb na I have achieved this already, yung may album. I don't know what I did. Like, totoo yung sinabi ko, hindi ko alam anong nagawa ko para ma-deserve ko to. But all I do is talaga, ini-enjoy ko lang lahat. And it's such an honor to be called the OPM Pop Sweetheart kasi hindi lahat nabibigyan ng title tapos tatawag ako na. It's different talaga. It's overwhelming.
Aside sa ito yung first mo, what makes it so special?
Well, since I was a kid kasi I've always sung talaga. Like all my life, yun talaga my life revolves around music. So, yung fact na nabigyan ako ng album, this is my first album, it's really a big thing for me. Tapos it's another thing pa na nakuha ko siya like this year. Hindi ko siya in-expect. In-expect ko siguro next year pa. And hindi ko pa in-expect na talagang magkaka-album ako. So it's really a dream come true. Parang Disneyland lang.
Mas mahirap ba pagkasama mo sa project ang mama mo? Kasi mukhang part siya ng album na.
Well, my mom, hindi naman siya super pero she was like my vocal coach sa mga recordings ko. Tinulungan niya ako. Like as usual naman. Kasi when I was a kid, since I was a kid, siya talagang tumutulong sa akin, how to enhance my voice, yung mga techniques. Pero she gives me the freedom din to parang kung paano to do my own thing. So, okay naman to work with my mom sa music.
Thank you, Grant. Congrats.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.